Rahman Rahim students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? So students, this is a session of grade 6 history and here's my slab and students take out your books, history books. Okay, open page number 6. Okay, chapter number 2, the first farmers. Okay, so students, firstly you have to read carefully this chapter at your home. Okay, okay. Now students, okay, the farming revolution of the new Stone Age Neolithic period. Okay, there is a good reason to believe that the early humans were as clever as modern man. Their brains were as large as ours, and they had the vital human skills of being inventive. They looked for their changes. They looked for changes which would help them more to control the world about them. In chapter 1, we saw how hunters invented better weapons and learned to kill powerful animals between 10,000 and 6,000 BC. They discovered how to farm. So great was this change. It deserved to be described as revolutionary. Okay. So student, first of all, firstly let's know about that early humans. Okay, early humans life. In our previous lecture, you know very well that early humans life start 2 million years ago. Okay, and the early man are the hunters. He had a nomadic life. Okay, and which means that the early man moves from place to place. Okay, for such to search of food. Okay, for search of food, and he depends on nature because they fulfill their needs. They are hungers and okay, so they can eat different things like fruits, nuts. Okay, and then any and more. Okay, they also use tools. Okay, and they also use tools. Okay, so firstly, the Stone Age is very important, and this is must say that Paleolithic age. Okay, this is a Paleolithic age of early stone. So this is also 2 million years. Okay, to 10,000 BC. BC means before Christ. You know very well that. Okay, after then Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age was started. Okay, and it is called that it is the middle section. Okay, and they start from between 10,000 to 8,000 BC. Okay, now students, as you know that then the next and the last age is Neolithic period. Okay, Neolithic period. So Neolithic period is a new stone. Is okay, and they start from between 8,000 BC to 4,000 BC. Okay, so student, Paleolithic period was the first stone age. Okay, and also early stone age, and also called old stone age. Okay, and also called stone old age. So students, in this during this period, man hunted animals. Okay, and they throw a stone. Okay, at that animal. Okay, and they throw the stone at the back of animals. Okay, but due to stone has a heavy and stone has a shapeless, so the early men face much difficulties. Okay, so they also slept on trees. Okay, because they don't have any homes. Okay, and they also okay, and they also wear animal skins. Okay, animal skin. So they also wore animal skin, and they also use tools. Okay, and okay, after that when the Paleolithic period have Paleolithic period was started, so they have also make clever choppers. Okay, like that things. Okay, and they also use break the another stone. Okay, and the next one is about when the Mesolithic period is started. They use bones. Okay, and they use bones, and they use bones, and what they can do that about to bones, that they can made bones by using weapons, okay, and move on, and they live domestic life, okay. So students, and then during this period they also used animals for transport, okay, to transport, and the beginning of agriculture was started, okay. The beginning of agriculture was started, and they also this is the Nilo, Neolithic period, okay, and okay, and they made they first of all they man made food gathered, okay, but now they produce food producer, okay. So he moved to animals, okay, and they grew crops, okay, they cut fields, okay, and they start their life in a small in a small areas like village, okay. So students, so the journey was started like that, okay. So now okay, around 10,000 BC, before people realized that the seeds of wild plants they could be planted in the spring and harvested in the last summer. They could be stored to provide regular food supplies and all the year around, as long as the weather did not fail. The best plants were cereals like wheat, barley, pulses like peas and beans. The first farmers discovered these plants grew well in certain places, particularly in well-drained soil near rivers. They also learned to tame animals, which for so long they had hunted sheep, goats, and cattle, for example. So students, about 10,000 BC, okay. So the people realized that the seeds of wild plants, they could be grow in planted in spring, okay, and harvested in the last summers, okay. So for the first thing is that the people was realized that only seeds were planted in the spring and the harvested in the last summer, okay. And they also stored food supplies all the air around, okay. So they also supplied food all through the air, okay. And the best plants were cereals, okay, like wheat, barley and pulses, ठीक है, गंदम जो हमारी दालें होती हैं, ठीक है, तो बेस्ट जो थे सबसे चीज़ें यही थी, ठीक है. तो लाइक beans and beans, okay. The first farmers discovered this plant grew well in certain places. First farmers is also realized that the plants grew in certain places, okay. उनको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि कुछ ही प्लेसेस में जो है प्लांट्स ग्रो होंगे, ठीक है. सो पर्टिकुलरली जो खास जो है वो है इज़ वाइल्ड ड्रेन सॉइल नियर रिवर, ओके. एंड दे ऑल्सो लर्न टू टेम एनिमल्स विच फॉर सो लॉन्ग दे हैड हंटेड शीप, गॉट्स एंड कैटल्स. और जो उन्होंने किया था एनिमल्स जो थे, दे ऑल्सो लर्न अबाउट दैट एट दोज एनिमल्स विच फॉर सो लॉन्ग दे हैड हंटेड, ओके. जो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं वो कौन, शीप, गॉट्स एंड कैटल्स. Okay, now come to page number 7. Okay, now they made the food supply certain, although producing took more time than hunting, it was less exciting but also less dangerous. Farming mean being in a fixed place, so the farmers settled in village with their crops and animals close by. They were able to produce so much food that not everyone needed to spend all their time farming, and so had time for other activities. Okay, so students, they also they made the food supplies, okay, more certain. They all, because they are all food producer, okay. So so they have say they took more time, okay, for after than hunting. Then they can produce they produce food, okay. So it was less exciting but is also dangerous, okay. It is also dangerous. So farming mean being in a fixed place. Farming is in a we can say that farming is being mean by being a fixed place, okay. And so the farmers settled in a village, okay, and the farmers who settled in a small areas like village, okay, with their crops and animals, okay, so close by, and they were able to produce, and they were produce food for everyone needed, okay, because food is wanted everyone, okay, and to spend all their time farming and had time for other activities, okay. So in this farming village, the Neolithic period continued to invent. They become more skilled in the use of heat. Houses were made out of mud bricks as well as wood. Okay, they also Neolithic period continue their inventions. Okay, and they more skill. They more skillful men as became, okay, and they also use they also make houses, okay, for the help of mud bricks, okay, and as well as wood, making their houses, okay, for using to using mud bricks as well as wood, okay. So they learn how to fight clay pots, okay, and they also know about that they make clay pots, okay, clay pots they made, or then they decorate with them colors, different colors, okay. In some areas they begin smelting copper from the ore they found in the rocks, and however they continue to make most of their tools from stone, and they know very well that about tools from stone, okay, and they also use the stone tools, okay, but these tools were now sharper and more efficient, okay, because now in the next period, in the next stage, the early man was also know about that they are also more efficient time to time, okay. So obsidians, and they also know about it how they make tools, okay, sharper tools. Obsidian, a glassy stone from volcanoes, made excellent arrowheads and sickles from cutting the corn. It could also be polished to make mirrors. The farmers wore woolen cloth and made ornaments from copper shell or precious stone. And okay, so the farmers also made wool um, from sheep and goats. Okay, woolen clothes. Okay, and they also made ornaments. Okay, like from copper shells and precious stones. Okay. So, trade began between villages many miles apart. Traders carried obsidian and other special stone which they could exchange for copper beads and seashells. So, trading started in a village, okay, miles apart. So, traders carried obsidian and other special stones. They carried obsidian and special stones, okay, so they can exchange copper beads and seashells. So farming, settling in village, making clothes and pottery, trading, all the activities show the farmers were able to organize themselves in groups larger than a family. They also organize themselves for protection and war. In many places the village had wall for defense. The enemy could be other farmers who want the best land, or hunters who would have okay who would happily seize animals from their herds. So during when the farmer was settled, okay, and they also make they also made clothes, potteries, okay, and they also do some activities like trading, okay. So they also organize themselves in a group larger than family, okay. So they also organized, okay, and for themselves for protection and war, okay, and in some many places the village had walls for defense. The enemy could be other farmers who wanted the best land, or hunters who would have happily seize animals from their herds, okay. Jericho is the oldest farming settlement yet discovered. Was close to the freshwater spring as early as 8000 BC. At about 2000 inhabitants. Clearly, they need to defend themselves, and the Great Wall and tower they built, figure 2.3, show that they were well organized. They through so they were farmers and kept gods, and they also continued to hunt. So The oldest farming settlement was discovered in Jericho, okay, and it was close to a freshwater spring, and it started from 8000 BC to had about 2000 inhabitants, okay, and they clearly needed about them defend themselves. They have a great wall, okay, and tower they built show that they were well organized, and through the our farmers and kept god they kept gods, okay, because they are farmers, and they also continue the hunting process, okay. Okay, students, in the next class we will meet you soon. Take care till then, okay, and you have to we are start from this passage, okay, and inshallah take care. Allah Hafiz.